What's up guys, Prism Fishing here, back with another video. Here with a familiar face today, we got Cody.
What's up?
We're fishing a creek today. As you can see, I'm all kitted out in the waders, and we're gonna be going after some trout today, hopefully. And if not, maybe we can get on a couple creek chub. But we're here and we're gonna get into them, and we have the whole day. So let's start casting, catch some fish, stay tuned. All right, Cody, you're up. First cast as my guide service to you. Get in that hole. So the main target for today is brown trout. There's a little deep pocket right here in front of this huge tree. So hopefully Cody can get on one in this spot. I'll drop my little spinner in here too, just to see. On an ultralight combo today, so if we get any fish, it'll be an interesting fight. First time using this rod as well. All right guys, this is one of our first major spots that we're coming up on here. As you can see, there's a pretty decent curve and current over there. So we're gonna go ahead and throw our little MEP spinner here, see if we can get a creek chub or something. Oh, I just saw one swipe at it. They're here. There's a ton of little ones chasing it too. They're pretty aggressive. They definitely see it. Oh, there we go. There we go. We're on. What we got? First little creek chub, guys. Check that out. So there we go. First fish of the day. Skunk is gone. Look at that guy. There we go. First fish of the day. Cool little guy. Thanks, dude. Let's let him go. There he goes. Back off into the depths. So there we go, guys. First fish. That's awesome. Let's go ahead, try to catch a couple more. What are you thinking, Cody? It's a good spot so far?
Yeah. Looks like it.
Yeah. Oh, the little one just had it in its mouth. There we go. That was the cast right there. Oh, I just had a pretty big bite there, but I missed him. Do you see all of them?
Yeah.
All right, actually, I think I might put you guys in the water. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but this water is really, really clear. So hopefully I can get some video of them trying to eat this. So let's try it. All right, guys, I don't know how I did it, but I ended up snagging him. This guy's an absolute chunk. Look at how girthy that creek chub is. Set him back. Thanks, dude. There he goes. So I forget what the name of this little fly was called, but we're gonna give it a little pitch in here and see if we can float it down and potentially get some trout. So here we go. Just letting it float down right now. But I want to get it in that current more. There we go. All right, there might not be any trout here today. Last time I was here, a buddy of mine caught a brown out of here, so we'll keep moving. On to the next spot. All right, here we go. We're gonna try to catch one in this little pool here. See how it goes. We'll use the fly to kind of go in a little quieter. We'll walk this way, get on top of this here, and just plop that puppy in. All right, so we're here at this next spot here. Cody's gonna fish this edge of this huge fallen tree, and I'm gonna try to cast around on this other side, so we'll see if we can pick one up here. Let me go ahead, grab my fly back out. So I'm gonna try to approach them from a little bit more upstream so my fly has more time to glide down, hopefully get in the strike zone of whatever might be in here. Now I know you guys might be thinking to yourselves, the water is literally not even up to my ankles right now, but there's a little hole here and you'd be surprised. Sometimes you can find fish in little holes. So we're going to try and get into here. Oh, that was a good one. Dang it. Oh, there's a little creek chub that just jumped. Oh, did you see that? They just freaking lunged at the bobber. Man, I'd have better luck if I put a treble hook on the bobber. There's a little school of chubs in here. Yeah, they were lunging at my bobber here a couple minutes ago. All right, guys, we're here at our next major spot. There's quite a large pool here due to this huge laydown. So I'm gonna go ahead, walk in, and throw this little fly. I changed up my fly, so now I'm fishing with this little larvae here. So I'm gonna walk in a little bit and see if I can't pick one up. There's a lot of little creek chubs over here too, so. Oh, I think we got one playing with it right now. Oh, he took it. He's got it. Oh, I just missed him. Had him there for a second. I saw him take it down. Oh no, not in the tree. Oh, I'm not even hooked on it. I'm just wrapped around it. Oh my God, no, I'm all tangled up everywhere. Oh, he has it, he has it, he has it. Oh, must have just had the tail. Try it again, try it again. Oh, I think he's got it now. Is he swimming with it? Oh, I see him. The little spinner. Oh, there was a big one that just had it for a second. I saw him too. Let's try to get him back. Try to grab his attention. There we go. Oh, dang it. Oh, darn. I don't think that was the one I was looking at, but we definitely had one there for a second. Let's see if we can hook up into one more and then we'll switch spots here. I think one's chasing after it right now. Okay, one more cast, I swear. All right, let's keep on moving. All right, guys, this is one of our main stops here. This is the second major stop. That right there, that hole, should contain some monsters. Whether they're trout or creek chub, there's only one way to find out right now, and that's to get a line in there. So we'll kind of sneak up onto them here. Give a little pitch. Good one. Oh, they're already on top of it. Oh, there are creek chubs in there. Darn, I was hoping for some trout, but it looks like a school of creek chub are in there right now. Oh, I see a decent sized chub in there. Hopefully we can get them to come out. Oh my God, there's so many of them. You just had one? Oh, yes, there's a huge one in there, a huge chub. There we go, I got one. Nice little guy, just snagged him in the gill as he went to run for it. See if we can't get another one. All right, guys, there's a couple huge chub right here suspended in the current. Gonna see if I can pick one off with the spinner. We'll see how it goes. Oh, they directly went towards it. Oh. There we go. There we go. Look at that guy. This guy might be something different. Nope, still a chub. All right. Let's go ahead and get this guy unhooked. There we go. Nice little guy. And there's some other huge ones down there, so I'm gonna let him go right there. and then get this right back in there. God, they're behemoth chubs. Oh my God, they're everywhere. As soon as it hits the water, they're already on top of it. Give this hole here a try. Oh, I just had a little chub on there. Darn it. Thought it was a rock, honestly. Oh! Oh my God, that drove him crazy. I got stuck on a rock and I popped it out and he just darted after it like crazy. That was insane. I was not expecting that. He hit it almost like it was just a reaction strike, like I'm using a freaking jerkbait or something. Oh. Oh, I just got lit up. Oh, yes. There we go. Yes, sir. That's a bigger one. Check that guy out. He's got some cool looking spots on him. There we go. Nice little dude. Thanks. Back he goes. He's right there on the edge of these thicker rocks and these really fine ones. There we go. There's one. Yes, sir. Spinner does it again. There you go. Nice little guy. Huge belly on that one. Let's let him go. Thanks, dude. Pretty big chub right there. Let's try to cast at him. Cast upstream. Oh, that didn't work. He might come around. Let's see. Oh! Oh, there we go. Yes. Yes, sir. Look at the size of this one. One cool thing about creek chubs, I'm not hurting them at all, but they can squeeze water through their gills to make that sound when they feel threatened. Come on, I'm trying to help you. Oh, there he goes. Quick release. That was a nice little creek chub there. That one had like rosy cheeks too. All right. This looks like another pretty decent spot. Got a lot of oxygenated water coming in here. Nice little deep pool here. So, cast around here, see what we can do. There we go. Right next to my feet. Look at, he inhaled that one. Holy cow. Not the biggest chub, but hey, at least we're catching something. There might be a couple fish hiding out right under this bridge. So, let's go ahead, give a couple casts. I see a lot of bait fish swimming around. There's a couple bugs scurrying on the surface. Let's just see what we can do. Oh, there we go, little one. A feisty little fella. Another little chub. This also looks like a pretty good spot. Go ahead, set that down there. I think I already see one just sort of hanging out. There we go. There's one. Oh yeah, that's a bigger one. I think this is the biggest chub of the day. Check out this monster. Really cool looking guy. There we go. Thanks, dude. Back to back, baby. There we go. There's another little one. Oh, easy release. See you, dude. Slipped out of my hand. And he went right back to the spot. See if we can get a couple more. This spot seems to be pretty productive. Can we go for 3 back to back? That'd be sick. There we go. Another little one. There we go. Nice little creek chub there. Thank you. Man, how am I gonna pull out of this little hole? Cody, how come you're not catching any?
That's a good question.
Oh, darn it, just missed one.